Welcome to the 3 Minute Trading Coach. I'm Brett Steenbarger, and today we're going to be talking about 2 ways to improve your trading psychology by improving your trading. Now, the big idea here is that we can have a better mindset, we can have a better focus on markets if we trade well. Now, often in trading psychology writings, we hear if we have a good mindset, we can trade better. And yes, that does work. But in fact, creating a powerful, robust process for trading and following that can be the best thing for our trading psychology. So here are 2 ways that we can improve our trading and thereby improve our trading psychology. The first one is something that I'm seeing quite a bit among the people I work with in these recent markets. Many of the markets are showing momentum characteristics. In other words, moves are extending in time. We're also seeing some trending behavior in certain asset classes. And what is happening is that traders who had become accustomed to choppier market conditions, lower volatility environments, they take profits quickly and the market continues to go their way even after they exit. In fact, one of the exercises I strongly recommend to all traders is to study what happens to your positions after you exit them and take profits. Very often, you'll see that they continue going your way and that you're actually leaving money on the table. And so having a system for taking profits in stages can be very effective. A simple example from my own trading, let's say the market has hit a high and now has retraced and seems to be making a bottom. And so I think we could go higher. The trend's intact. I buy with a decent size position. If we get back up to the prior high and move through that, boom, I take profits on the first half of the position. The second half is if we continue to extend the trend, then we should go well above that prior high. And so I'm letting that second half run to a more distant target. Now, if it happens that second clip does not go to new highs and reverts, then I've moved my stop up on that piece to break even. And so I scratch that part of the trade. I still come away with a profit. So it creates a win-win. If the move extends, I make some extra money. If the move does not extend, I still have a decent profit. Good trading helps good mindset. A second way of helping our mindset by trading better is by going to where the opportunity is. One of the things I've noted in the past from my work with the traders at SMB is that what they trade ends up being just as important as how they trade. In other words, they filter different stocks, different opportunities, different patterns, and they go with what is setting up here and now to offer the most opportunity. What we're seeing in the recent stock market, for instance, in the US, is quite a bit of sector rotation. At one period of time, growth stocks such as the technology sector may be stronger, and value stocks, large cap names, might be weaker. Then it reverses. And in the recent environment, we've seen some weakness in the tech stocks, strength in small caps, and strength in some of those value names. So what we want to do when we enter a position is say, where am I going to get the most juice? Put our money on what is leading, because very often if one part of the market is correcting and another sector, another part of the market fails to go down, that improvement in relative strength precedes absolute strength. Very important concept. So before something is strong in an absolute way, we see it strong in relative terms. By going with what is stronger and buying that, by going with what is weaker and selling that, we put ourselves on the right side of relative strength. Thanks again for being part of the 3 Minute Trading Coach. I look forward to our next episode.